Hello everyone. So today we'll be unboxing the Grab box. This is my first experience with Grab box. So I bought two beauty Grab boxes from last 2 months. This month I didn't buy the Grab box. So yeah, and I was very excited because both of these together cost me less than 500, like 498 rupees. So yeah. So this is for the month wise. I'm not doing it, I'm doing it randomly. So the first thing, in one Grab box, in the first Grab box I have got this is a set of four beauty sponges. The language is not understandable. Exquisite powder, I don't know. So yeah, these are okay. When dirty, use warm water and add a small amount of natural detergent. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, these are four beauty sponges, blenders, whatever you want to call it. And today only this parcel came, and I did not expect this to be this thick. It is quite thick. In the photos it was looking very thin. It's quite thick, but actually the quality, to be honest, look at this one. This is very porous, and I don't think this one will be very good. All others are like of different you know uh, consistency or pattern, whatever we call it. But yeah, they look different, so maybe they might be good, but I'm not very sure about the quality of these sponges. Next product in the bag is this Hexa mud. I'm very excited. This is from Fecon. It is 110 grams of product. This is actually a cleansing and detoxifying mud. So actually what you have to do is just use it as a face pack and all. How to apply: take 1 tablespoon of mud and mix it with lukewarm or rose water as needed in a non-metallic container. Apply the clay onto the skin and rinse off when dried, followed by moisturizer. Can be used by men and women both. Caution: store in dry. Okay, so yeah, this is a very good product. Let's see how it works, because this is summer, so we really need such drying things for our skin, because this will soak the oil, extra oil in the summer which you produce. So yeah, it's a good thing. And also because I have this skin problem going on, this will be of use. I will use this soon. And the color looks really promising, because it looks like it will really work on my skin. So yeah, I like this. The next product is this. Oh my god, I really was excited about this tool. It is a pimple extracting, that kind of a tool. I wish I had this like a week or two earlier, because that time I really had like active acne. So but yeah, it's always welcomed. The next thing is very unique. It is a Fecon eucalyptus 100% pure essential oil, 10 ml. So bottled on uh, January 2018, best before 3 years. 300 is the amount. This is an Indian product, and it treats cough, cold and congestion, reduces dandruff, relief from itchy scalp, effective in acne, infections and other skin flaws, stored in dry places. So yeah, I really like this. And this Fecon has really good packaging of the essential oils. Look at this. See, I really like this. And they have a tube here. I really like this. The smell, it's weird. We have a similar smell in washrooms. I know, it's weird. there's no hole in this, so maybe I'll see how I should use this, but I will use this for my acne, and especially for my hair, because today I'll be applying a hair mask, because today I'll wash my hair, so I'll be applying my hair masks. In that I'll add this, or maybe in my shampoo I'll add this with tea tree oil, and I'll use this. I'm very excited about this one. The next thing, probably the last thing, yeah, it's the last thing, is this. It's the Hilary Rhoda 4 blush. So there are 4 options in this blush, and I wanted the third one because I thought that will look much more better on me, because it has a red and not so bright colors, whereas in others there are literally very bright colors. So I thought this will look really good on me, and I got the third one. So yeah, I was very excited, and there was no option to choose. So yeah, and it looks really classy, you know. See, it looks really classy. Okay, and I was really happy to see that the mirror was not broken. Yeah, see, I was excited about this color, and I think this will also look really good on me. I'll just try all of them. So the first grab box is empty. So the next, and the video is already 7 minutes long. Okay, actually I don't know how to edit these videos, so that's why. The next wrap box is a very superb curation according to me, because they are very good products. See, the first thing is these are 2 brushes, and as I understand these brushes, it is for this one is for the eyeshadows and all. Yeah, this cannot be used on for blush and lips. This is for the eyeshadows and anything near eyes, maybe kajal also, well, not that much, but yeah, this is for the eyeshadows, and this one is for blending. You can use this on your lips, on your eyes. This is very good for blending small areas, so yeah, this is good. The next thing is this. Again, I really like the size of these products. These Facon Magno Mud. It is a 180 grams detoxifying and exfoliating face pack. Yeah, I'll be using this. One of the 2 mud detoxifying things I'll be using at least twice a week. You know, I'm not that much of an oily skin, that's why I'll be using twice. Okay, bottled on January 2018, 3 years from now, and 100% calcium bentonite is the ingredient. Wow, I really like it. Okay, an Indian product. Okay, 250 rupees. That the other mud was also for 250 rupees. So yeah, I'll be using this. I like it. I really like that. I have 2 big bottles of products. Like, it looks like I have spent a lot of money on it, but I have not. Next product is, I really like this. This is the Facon chocolate lip balm. Oh my goodness, look at the ingredients. Okay, chocolate extract, shea butter, natural beeswax, kokum butter, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and sunflower oil. And this is a 7 gram, 150 rupees, and it will last for 2 years from January 2018. What I really like about it, it's so compact. It really looks very classy. I'll carry this lip balm now, because my last lip balm is almost done with. See, like biotic products, this also has this lid, which is very tight. It doesn't smell very much chocolatey, but yeah, we have to consider the fact there are more nourishing and moisturizing ingredients. See, about this I will tell you, it's very waxy. It's not that chocolatey, but it's more waxy and all. It's not, it's not even tinted because it is more of a nourishing product. So before your you can use this at home daily, before sleeping or whenever you're at home, because it doesn't has any tint. But and you can also use this before your lip color tinted products, so the lips are moisturized and they look amazing. So the next product is very classy. I was very excited to see this. On the screen it was not looking that good, but in hand it looks so pretty, so classy, so delicate. I really like the delicacy, and the color actually is really not that bright as it looks on the screen. It actually is really I would say darker than what it looks on the screen. I have still not opened the packaging because I wanted to show you all how it looks. So since now I have applied the lip balm, I'll be applying this. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is a 4-gram product from let me read the ingredients. I was so excited showing the product. Okay, it is from Matte Look, and this is a 4-gram product. Okay, the Color Factory. Okay, so the lip color, let me show you. I'll just show it all. Ooh, I don't have any such color in any red, so I'm super excited. All colors in my lip